Look at the question number 17. Two vertical poles are on either side of the road. So AD ಮತ್ತು EC ಇದೆ ಎರಡು ಕಂಬಗಳು. The width of the road is 90 feet. So total width ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 90 ಇದೆ. And height of the pole are in the ratio 1 and 2. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation to the top of the pole is 60 degree. Find the height of the pole. So ಎರಡು height of the pole ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So here width of the road ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? AC ಅಲ್ವಾ? So the width of the road is equal to AC. This is 90 feet. So here height of the short pole is AD is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? H ಅಲ್ವಾ? So H. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ height of the long pole is CE. This is equal to 2H ಇದೆ. So angle of elevation is theta is 60 degree. So here let BC. So BC is X and AB is equal to ಏನಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? AB is equal to 90 minus X ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Triangle ABD ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So in a triangle ABD, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? tan 60 degree. So tan function ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So tan 60 degree ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? AD divided by AB ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So tan 60 degree is √3 is equal to AD is H divided by 90 minus X ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here H is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 90 minus X into √3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ equation 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So in a triangle BCE ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. In triangle BCE. So BCE ಅಲ್ಲಿ tan 60 degree ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? CE divided by BC ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So BC ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So tan 60 degree ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? √3 equal to 2H divided by X. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2H is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? √3X ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So H is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? X into √3 divided by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So take this as equation number 2. So now from equation 1 and 2, so from equation 1 and 2, so ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 90 minus X into √3 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? X into √3 divided by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ both side √3 ಇದೆ. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 into 90 minus X into √3 is equal to X into √3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here 90 into 2 is, so here both side √3 get cancels. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 180 minus 2X is equal to X. So 180 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2X plus X. So ಇದನ್ನ 3X is equal to 180. So X is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 180 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 360s. So X is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So X is equal to 60. So substitute X is equal to 60 in equation 1. So substitute X is equal to 60 in equation 1. So here equation 1 is H is equal to 90 minus X √3 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this is equal to 90 minus 60. Here x is 60 into root 3. So 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 root 3 meter. Okay. So this is the height of the tower. Okay. So here height of the short pole ಏನಿದೆ? Height of the short pole AD alva. So AD is H. Therefore, this is equal to 30 root 3 meter. And height of the long pole is CE ಇದೆ. So 2H ಇದೆ. ಇವುಗಳ ರೇಷಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2 into 30 root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is equal to 60 root 3 m ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So this is the height of the short pole and height of the long pole.